guys, I'm Mallory Varner with GSG, and I'm the Vinyl Decorating Segment Manager. And I have your favorite special guest again here with me.
Hi, I'm Keran Phipps, and I'm the Vinyl Decorating Specialist. And it's so nice to be with Mallory again.
I made her meet me here in Dallas today. We are filming. We are getting ready for Easter, one of my favorite holidays coming up. And Keran decided what we were doing today. So you want to tell them why you picked this out?
So I have only boys in my house. And as you remember from the Valentine episode, I don't get enough glitter ever. So Mallory gets to loan me her daughter for a moment, and we're going to do an Easter basket liner with some pink glitter. I'm so excited. You don't even know. So what we're going to do is use the Siser Glitter vinyl, and this particular color is called Flamingo Pink, which is very special to me. So
awesome. Well, I'm going to use and show them how easy it is to weed. If you don't have it, Siser has this awesome tool set, which comes with the weeder and then also the tweezers, which, we personally use them all the time. So when you're cutting, you have to adjust your blade. Either I use the roll-in cutter, so I adjust and switch to a 45-degree blade. But Keran, you use the Cricut, and you just adjust your pressure?
I do. So on something like glitter, I just use the heat iron or the heat transfer iron on plus option on my Cricut. So it's really easy. And as you can see, it cuts so well. You just pull it off super easy.
And weeds super, super, super fast. So that was awesome, very easy. Remember always when you're doing HTV to cut mirror image. I don't know how many times I have had to start all over when I mess it up. It gets me pretty agitated halfway through a design when I see it cutting. I'm like, oh, I can't believe I did that. All right, well, I have finished weeding this, but you already have one weeded.
So we're gonna take the one that's already weeded, and with Siser products, you wanna make sure that you pre-press your material so that you get any kind of moisture out, so that vinyl will adhere. That, especially something with burlap with all these holes, we wanna make sure that we've got a good material that we can get that adhesive to stick to.
It also helps lay the fibers down. It never hurts to pre-press. But with anything, like we always tell you, make sure you are testing it prior to going in full production. You know, this is for Kennedy for fun, but if you are going to be selling these Easter baskets, or if you're a reseller and you're displaying it, you definitely want to make sure that what you are pressing on is going to be working. All right.
So we're gonna go ahead and pre-press this.
Just 2 to 3 seconds.
And that should do it. So then I can take my glitter material and put that on. And with the glitter, on something like this, I may just leave it on a little bit longer just to make sure that that adhesive has stuck as well as it's gonna stick to that burlap.
I always say at the end too, once you peel the carrier sheet off, it's really nice. Just go ahead and do one more quick press. Make sure everything's there. When you have to hold it like this, maybe you didn't get the edge of the K very good or something like that. So you just kind of want to make sure that it's definitely on there and adheres, because kids can be. Kennedy is 9, but if you're doing this for any age of children, if they want to play with their basket or whatever, that it's definitely on there.
I'm gonna go ahead and press it one more time just to make sure that it's nice and adhered.
This is super cute.
So this little liner is really fun. This is just Velcros on.
That is nice. That's so cute.
And one cute little Easter basket ready for Kennedy. And I'm so glad I actually got to do a project with pink glitter. Yay!
That's awesome. And you can borrow her anytime you want. She loves glitter, and she will gladly take anything with her name on it. That was awesome. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. We want to see what you're working on, so definitely tag us in it. We love to see cool projects, and you never know when we're going to pick something and say, maybe they need a giveaway today.
That's right.
So Besides that, follow us on social media, subscribe to us on YouTube, check out all what GSG has to offer and all the awesome videos we put out there. And comment below, what do you want to see next week on Make It on Monday with Mallory? And tell us, if there's a product, equipment, something, or just an idea you have for a craft. We would love, love, love to hear from you. So definitely do that. Thank you so much for joining us, and we hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next Monday. Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to see more of my vinyl decorating tips and projects. I would love to see what you're working on, so make sure and tag me. See you next time.